The Meghalaya government is determined to take up major infrastructure projects across the state this year, signalling a transformative phase for development and connectivity. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the government is committed to upgrading the Shillong airport to accommodate more commercial flights. A meeting has been scheduled with the central government in New Delhi to expedite the process. He said that once bigger commercial flights start landing here, it will be a game changer for the state. The government is also working towards introducing a direct flight between Shillong and Tura under the Udan scheme.
When it comes to the airport, I'm very, very particular that the flights as fast as possible, the commercial flight should land in Umroi. Government of India is giving full support for this. I hope very soon direct commercial flights will land from Delhi and other places, and I believe that is going to be one of the biggest game changers for our state, especially when it comes to sectors like tourism and even education and overall growth of our state.